Hi everyone, I want to welcome you especially to this weekly analysis. Okay, so quickly in this weekly analysis, I want to show you a few things which you should take note of. Okay, in this new week, as we are expecting, to succeed in the new week, knowing that a lot has been going on in the market, and knowing that we have introduced a few new pairs which we want to use, to improve and increase our chances of winning, and earning more in the market. I want you to pay close attention to all that we're going to be discussing today in the weekly analysis. Pay attention to the various instructions. Make sure you do not miss the live weekly trading session with me, of which I'll be taking some of the live trading time with you and just to guide you with a few things which I believe would help you. Now, we do not control the market. A lot has been, happening in the market. Okay, so ours is, we are traders. Okay, we come into the market, find opportunities, and go in. And we've seen that the GU, which used to be our major pair, hasn't been giving us much opportunities, and for that reason, we thought to introduce to you a few new pairs which would help us, to be able to, get more winning entries, make more money, increase our chances of, winning in the market, and also make progress in trading. All right, so follow me through. Let's go through in the chart, and I can show you some of these pairs, what I am seeing, my directional bias, the direction I'm seeing, the advice I would give you if you want to trade with me this week, and what you should do. Let's go straight to the chart. Let's look at the DXY, the dollar index, which used to be our major. Now this is what the dollar index is doing currently. It has broken out on a very high and is currently on a liquidity side. So let's do a quick top down. If you look at this top down, you will see that it's bearish but retracing, bullish from the 1 week time frame. You go to the 24-hour time frame, bullish. You go to 4-hour time frame, bullish. So we can trade DXY bullish. So that means anytime we find bullish confirmation, we begin to look for bearish confirmation on any of our other pairs, of which if you look at our trend 4-hour, you can find a point of interest where price will most likely go using the 1-hour time frame to confirm that trend. Okay, so once price gets from around here and begins to buy, I would want to buy, I want to sell GU and AU. Okay, so EU for the VIP group, GU for the free channel. Now this is GU, and if you do the same top down for GU, you will see that GU is directly proportional to the dollar index. Look at it now, 1 week time frame bullish, 24 hours time frame bearish. See that? Okay, 4-hour time frame what? Bearish. So what we want is the bearish entry. So once we look, okay, if you look at 4-hour now, you can find the point of interest, of which if you look, you see that you took out this low, came into this point of interest. So most likely it will break down after taking out this low. Then we can now, decide on what to do. But if you're gonna buy, if you're gonna sell GU for any reason, then don't sell until when you find a complete market structure shift on the entry time frame. You can see it has already sold. It's retracing upward. When it retraces fully and gives a complete market structure shift, then you can be finding your sell entry. Now let me give you a few explanation of what the path may look like. Something like this. You can see it's on this liquidity path, so it may come down, retrace, push up, retrace, push up. So once you see something like this, a break of structure, sorry, a break of structure first, right, and then a change of character, then you can be finding your sell entry. So except that happens, don't sell GU yet. Okay, so directional bias might become clear from Tuesday. So for the new introduced pairs, I've introduced the GJ, GBP JPY, AJ, AUD JPY, UJ, Euro JPY. The GBP JPY would be for the free community. The AUD JPY would be for the VIP community. Euro JPY will be for the VIP community. So let's go to the GBP JPY. So what are you seeing on the GBP JPY? Let's do a quick top down. You go from the 1 week time frame. So from the 1 week time frame, what do you see? You see it's consolidating bearish. You go to the 24-hour time frame. What do you see? Bullish. You go to the 4-hour time frame. What do you see? It looks bullish. Okay, even though I see, yeah, bullish. So if you can find bullish entries, that means something like this can be an entry. Okay, something like this, but this will not go far, because first of all you must grab the first liquidity, taking it out before we can confirm this trend up to at least this point. So that's what will happen on JPY. In the live class I will explain more on that. People USDT, the analysis has been done. Once I find the entry, I'm going to let you know how to go in. You can do a quick top down. Because of my time, I may not show you that, but maybe during the live class I may show you that. Silver, the same thing, just keep your eyes on them. I'm going to give updates. Volatility 25 as well, analysis has been done. I'm going to give updates on that. Just stay active on all the groups. The free channel, the VIP channel, as updates will be coming. In Jump 25, the same also updates will be coming. So remember, like I said, if you're not on the VIP channel and you want to be on board, just come to our website kfctrading.com, click on enroll now, and then choose any of your packages. Just on the website you can learn everything you want. Just go straight to more, go to VIP courses, and you can see all of our courses. Alright, thank you so much for taking our time with me to go through the chart and to see a few things which I am seeing in the market. Now get ready for the live trading session, 1 p.m. GMT +1 Mondays. Okay, that live trading session will also help you, because you're going to see me doing a lot of what I was just talking to you about and on the chat live. Okay, and that will also help you, guide you, and help you to improve in your skill and make you to avoid many errors in this new week. Okay, so don't miss it. Make sure you are prompt, make sure you are available, and make sure you share the video for other people to see. If you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. Get ready to win. It's our week to win. Make sure you are determined to win, and make sure you are ready to make money. Alright, so stay updated, stay very active, because I'm going to be posting updates from time to time, so that on the free channel, on the VIP channel, you are part of all the updates. See you soon during the live trading session. Have a great week.